Hello everyone, your favorite rational robot here, R4R. Welcome to my channel. Today's reason, the evil nature of God. Christians have consistently ignored the Old Testament portrayal of God's murderous behavior. Often they claim that the New Testament overrides and replaces the Old Testament based on the idea that Jesus supplied mankind with a new covenant. But what cannot be denied is that Jesus himself was a student of the Old Testament, firmly believed in it, and warned that it was not to be ignored or discarded. Therefore, Christians must concede that God performed the evil deeds that are documented in the Bible. Otherwise, Jesus would have corrected the scriptures and explained that God the Father, or he himself, did not commit those atrocities. To repeat, according to Christians, Jesus was God and he was physically on the earth teaching from the Old Testament. If the scriptures were wrong in their portrayal of God, Jesus would have emphatically proclaimed this fact to his followers and whoever else would listen. The following is taken from the Dwindling in Unbelief blogspot. See the link in the description below, listing 158 killing events for which God was either directly or indirectly responsible. The complete list is shown below for effect, but one in particular deserves a focused look. 1 Samuel 15:3. 1 Samuel 15:3. Now go, attack the Amalekites and totally destroy all that belongs to them. Do not spare them. Put to death men and women, children and infants, cattle and sheep, camels and donkeys. There is no evidence that Jesus denounced this scripture, and apparently it was in keeping with his concept of God the Father. Any person who worships a God who gave this order is an accomplice after the fact. According to the Bible, God killed or authorized the killings of up to 25 million people. This is the God of which Jesus was an integral part. That is to say, Jesus himself was an accessory to these murders and massacres. Therefore, Christianity must own them and admit that their God is in fact a serial, genocidal, infanticidal, filicidal, and pestilential murderer. More reasons for reason to come, so keep watching and remember to please like and subscribe. Peace.